new American dream is to move to Phuket, Thailand and buy a house. Let's go see this one. Come on. Today I'm taking you guys on a quick little vlog of a house here in Phuket, Thailand with my wife. Yeah. So we're gonna take you guys around to see this beautiful, beautiful home. So this home has a pool here. This pool is actually a custom built pool. Most of the other houses don't have a pool in this area because there is a community center that there is a pool and a gym and all that stuff. So behind you is the carport. So you can definitely put 2 cars here. Actually, I think if you just go to the neighbors right over here, you can see they got 2 cars over there. We're gonna walk up. So again, beautiful, beautiful water feature and the beautiful pool. We even got lounge chairs in the water. Like this is like 5-star hotel type stuff. Let's go inside. As you walk in, we are greeted by the living room. This living room is decorated so nice. Actually, this whole home is decorated really, really nicely. And everything you guys are seeing in this video, you take with you. So the price includes everything. We got TVs, we got beautiful furniture. Era was telling me this one from what? Shells?
Yeah.
Yeah, shells. So the owner was really interested in all these little antiques and unique items. So yeah, there's stuff like this vase here, very expensive. I'm not a vase guy, but this is very expensive and it's very nice. Moving here, we have a table. However, if you are thinking that this is the dining table, it's not, because the dining table is over there. This is more like the I have business to do table, you know, where you sign on your contract. Maybe you have clients for your business, whatever it is, you meet here. This is where you're gonna be the most money making, right? So there is a backyard here. A lot of homes in Thailand, especially in Bangkok and stuff like that, even in Phuket, honestly, don't have a backyard. I'm gonna take you guys now into one of the 4 bedrooms, 4 plus 1, because there's a maid room as well. So this is the first one. It's on the ground floor. Check it out. It has its own bathroom, shower and everything in here. Then of course you get the bed. It's a little smaller, so maybe this is where the grandparents would sleep. A lot of houses in Thailand, there's usually 1 bedroom on the ground floor for grandparents that are a little bit older, don't want to go up the stairs, etc., etc. Or maybe if you have like a nanny or something like that as well. I guess a nanny and a maid would be the same thing though, right? Yeah, okay, anyways. Beautiful pool view over here. I love it. Let's go now to the dining room kitchen table. Now we've made it to the dining room table. This is where you eat. And what I really love, my Gen Z-ness loves that there's a TV right here. So you can have a 6-person feast and then watch some TV.
No, it's a real silver.
What? Really? And you get this as well?
Yeah.
You take this home with you?
Yeah.
Wow. I don't even want to touch it. I'm scared. Wow. This is very, very cool. Now, my biggest favorite thing so far in this house tour is going to have to be the kitchen. And that is because I personally live in a little condo. Our kitchen is maybe like just here. That's all we get. Nothing else. So we're doing somtam, we're doing steaks, we're doing tacos in here. But this house, bro, I can do somtam and tacos and burgers and steak at the same time, you know? So I'm really enjoying that. There's even a dishwasher here. I don't know how to open that. How do you open this? Okay, there's a dishwasher here. Then we also have the convection stove, no open flames, just a hot stove. I kind of like that, you know, we're not burning the house down and stuff. Vents, fridge, oven, and wait, it's oven and oven?
Double oven.
It's a double oven? No, this must be like a special type of oven, and this is another special type of oven.
Microwave?
Okay, maybe this is the microwave and this is the oven. So there is another bathroom here. So there's 2 bathrooms so far that we've seen. This one doesn't have a shower. This is a storage closet, so you can store your well, anything really. I mean, this is probably gonna be for the wife, although the wife already has a spot. I'll show you upstairs. Let's go now. Maybe this can be a man cave, I don't know. This is 2-story buildings, 2-story house. You have this beautiful, beautiful chandelier. I heard it's very expensive, but I don't know how much expensive it is. I'm just gonna trust them that it's expensive. It looks expensive. So yeah, the wife has her own place to put stuff. Makeup, bags, beautiful dresses, all that stuff. And she can even just sit here and chill.
Yeah, for you with me at there.
Oh, this is where I'll wait for you.
Yeah.
Maybe she's putting on her makeup, she's taking a little longer than she's supposed to. You move to this side, and you're like, wow, this side is also very nice.
Yeah, it's
wow, look
good
at the view. Very nice. Honey, are you done yet? No? Okay, I'm sorry I asked. Let's look at the view some more. Look at that. Drawers and drawers and drawers and drawers. Other side is filled with drawers. Over here, just closet space. Over here, more closet space. Like, literally, you can have a whole Louis Vuitton boutique in here. Let's go to this side first before we go to the master. So we have two, I guess they call them, what do you call them? Like they're not the master, the kids room.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll call it the kids room. So this is one of the first one. You can definitely notice that this was a kids room or designed for a kid because
We can what?
I don't know, it looks very kiddish. You think I'm a kid?
But you don't kid.
I'm a kid. See? This is great for a kid that's 5, 6, all the way till they're 17, 18 because we even got a nice little table for them to, you know, work their, do their homework and work on. Beautiful view out here. And it's a good size, it's not bad. Over here we have a bunch of storage. Like, again, this place is just storage. Has its own built-in bathroom with the shower. Then of course across the hallway, maybe they have a sibling, is this one. Now, arguably this one has the better view, so maybe the kids want to fight a little bit. I don't know, you guys put them into Muay Thai, see who wins. They can get their pick of which side. But it again also has its own bedroom, or sorry, it has its own bathroom. Same thing, shower, TV, has a nice little table here, again, for them to work. I think the table in that room is better. So maybe that's the good kid that likes to do homework, and this is the kid that wants to hop out and, you know, I don't know, jump off the balcony into the pool? Oh, I don't know why they would do that. Oh, forgot to say the storage again. These are all storage. 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 As we walk past, again, the beautiful chandelier, we're gonna go in the masters. And let me tell you, this is very cozy. I don't think I'll leave. I think I just stay here. I don't go anywhere. Just call my Grab and, hey, bring me some pat kapao. And then I just have them throw it up. But yeah, very beautiful.
It's very big.
Very big. It's actually probably bigger than our condo, just this room, right? So we got the bed, TV. Again, everything you see, you take with you, right? So all the decorations, all the chairs, even got a fridge. Oh my God, I just seen this now. I didn't see this. Bro. All right. Then this is a very special little portion of the house. All the other houses have a balcony from basically right here out. But this one is a built balcony, so it's enclosed. You know, it's still a balcony. You can still open the door into the beautiful Phuket scenery. But if you go and look at the other houses, they don't have it closed off. I think it's a really nice little space for maybe you or the wife to basically separate yourself from each other. Because I know sometimes you have to be separate. Okay? So maybe the wife's here, husband's over there, you know, whatever it is. Got a nice little sofa here as well. Remember when I said storage? So maybe this one will be, no, it's gotta be the wife's storage. The husband has no storage. No storage. This is just gonna be all the wife's stuff.
Husband's storage is that?
Yeah, okay. All his clothes, all his belongings will just lay right here in this house. That's it.
Yeah.
A lot of storage. Has a beautiful mirror. This here also, like, check out this mirror. Like, you're basically can get ready and, I mean, there's nothing here that you can't see from this mirror. Then, of course, a master bathroom in here. This is really cool. It's heated, guys. It's like the Cadillac of toilets, okay? It's heated. It shoots water in your butt. You don't even have to use paper. You don't even have to use the little water guns that they got for, you know, Thailand. And of course, we got a bathtub here, and a shower. So if you don't want to take a bath all the time, you can take a shower. Very beautiful. Wow, it's soft clothes too. Let's talk about location, right? So this is in Supalai Lake Ville. It's right in the middle of Phuket. It's basically sat right on the main road. It's only about maybe 10 minutes to Central, only 10 minutes to Robinson Talang. You've got 2 7-Elevens, I think maybe even 3, about 5 minutes from here. It's a gated community. The guards are very strict, and I love that. Some guards in Thailand aren't strict, but this one, these guys are strict. So you feel private, you know, there's walls surrounding your lovely home. And honestly, maybe I should buy this. Let's go talk about prices. Another thing that I wanted to add was this location is very close to international schools. We actually have 2 in the area. We have the British International School and we have the Finnish International School as well. So 2 international schools to put your kids in. This house, this home, it's perfect to build a family here in Phuket, Thailand. And guess what? You want to know the price? 24 million Thai baht. Yes, that's it. So 24 million Thai baht, how much is that in like USD? It's like 600, 700,000. Can you get something like this for 600, 700,000 in America? Not like this. No, 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 no. I don't know about you, but I'm gonna go back inside now because I might actually buy this myself.
You?
Yeah,
Your money?
my money. Okay, bye.